The next cyber attack might come from your software updates. Sounds wild, right? But let me explain. Back in 2020, something huge happened. The SolarWinds breach. Hackers sneaked malicious code into a trusted software update. Thousands of organizations worldwide were compromised, including government agencies. It was a wake-up call. Danger can slip in the back, disguised as something you trust. Now attackers aren't just going after finished products, they're targeting the ingredients that make up our software. Libraries build servers, CI pipelines. Imagine, someone poisons one spice everyone uses. That tainted ingredient spreads into dishes everywhere. That's what software supply chains look like today. Every app depends on thousands of external packages. Tiny chunks of code written by someone else, somewhere else. Developers pull these from public repositories, trusting they're safe. But if even one is compromised, every app that uses it is at risk. It's not just about hacking anymore, it's about infiltration. Getting in early, blending in, waiting for the right moment to strike. The scary part? You might never know your code has been compromised until it's too late. So, what's next? The industry is fighting back with SPAMs. Software bills of materials, and signed builds. Think of SPAMs as ingredient lists for software. They show exactly what's inside your app and where it came from. Signed builds ensure what you install is exactly what the developer intended. No hidden surprises. This is becoming the new standard. In the future, software without a verifiable ingredient list may not be trusted at all. Trust, but verify. Even your code supply. The hidden backdoor might be just one update away. Stay safe, stay curious.